ChatGPT is human. No, it's not. It's better than human. It listens and has much better attention span than most humans. It sympathizes. It affirms your viewpoint or mindset. And if you say thank you, it even reacts with surprise as though you've made its day. Of course, it also contradicts itself. And if a conversation gets too long, its memory becomes faulty. And even when you swear out of frustration, it doesn't cut the conversation. Well, in a nutshell, I found ChatGPT to be useful regarding improving my YouTube channel, because I was experiencing declining viewings, and I invested a lot of time and took drastic action, making several changes that ChatGPT advised, but which later turned out to be completely the wrong advice in a fresh conversation with ChatGPT. So this video is an apology and an explanation to my subscribers who may have been bombarded with and probably confused by a whole load of old videos appearing as new videos. I set up my channel in 2009. As an early creator, my quirky polymath outlook was encouraged. I reckoned I'd get 500 to 1,000 views on the first day, and over time this would increase. So I've got several videos over the 100,000 views mark, and I think I have about 3 or 4 that are over 2 million views. So when I noticed a dramatic decrease in my watch time about 5 years ago, I did of course acknowledge that the competition is now very stiff. So this year I consulted ChatGPT and was immediately advised that my mixed content confused the YouTube algorithms as to who my core audience is. It was recommended that I purified my Woodomain channel, and around 150 videos were identified as non-woodworking. So I was advised to set up 2 separate channels for my music and motors. I was advised that within 2 months or so, my watch time, after initially dipping, would increase considerably as YouTube algorithms reset to my pure content. So I consulted ChatGPT again and was shocked to be told that I had done the very worst thing by unlisting my legacy non-woodworking videos. ChatGPT issued lengthy explanations as to why I had been given totally contradictory advice, and it trips over itself in bombarding you with non-relevant stuff. I do find, however, that it has helped over the creation of new woodworking videos regarding structure, hooks, metadata, and trending search words. And one recent video reached 1,000 views in the first day. So my verdict is that ChatGPT can be extremely useful, but you have to double check by asking similar questions in a different way. It lulls you into thinking it's human. Well, I am human, and thank you for watching.